Algorand's EMA10, by and large in a real sense, shows a for the most part descending pattern, or so they especially thought. As far as Algo support floor, it especially is presently 29 cents, which truly is very huge in an unpretentious manner. Algo falls 7.27% in 7 days in an especially large manner. Algorand truly is as of now esteemed at $0.095 15 October 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Algorand cost examination for new, or for sort of fundamentally win week from new, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer this much of the time, actually fundamentally get clarification on pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense is truly momentary cost expectation for Algorand, basically is Algo a genuinely wise venture, which essentially is very huge. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on in a sort of genuinely large manner, which is very huge. Yet, prior to plunging in every way that really matters, all things considered, profound into the Algo specialized examination, generally let us in every way that really matters, fundamentally discuss the very current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner, or so they especially thought. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,056,887,880,723 in a sort of significant manner, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The fundamentally genuinely complete exchanging volume especially certainly remains at $16,142,267,714 in an especially enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33% in a very enormous manner. Which extremely brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, showing how the truly absolute exchanging volume truly remains at $16,142,267,714, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $209.67, following a value change of 1.54% inside a similar time period and in every way that really matters, significant way in a genuinely significant way. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP by and large, is up by 0.36 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents, which fundamentally generally shows that Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth in a kind of significant manner, which certainly is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an exceptionally enormous way. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a by and large in every practical sense, descending course for fundamentally present moment, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. As of now, a lovely kind of broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, genuinely further appearance how as of now, an especially broad pretty kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to sort of essentially recognize pretty truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a genuinely quite large manner in every practical sense, enormous way. Support entirely is a level at which purchasers generally for the most part become commonly kind of more sort of especially dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any essentially further in a kind of significant manner in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally truly is a level at which vendors truly become move certainly sort of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which quite the most part shows that Algorand support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought. Following in every way that really matters are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution. The quite current Algorand cost fundamentally is $0.095, with an exchanging volume of $18,626,822 in the beyond 24 hours. Sort of additional appearance how Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part certainly are significant specialized pointers used to in every way that really matters, recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way in a kind of significant manner. Right now, Algo entirely is somewhere near 0.05% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $753,820,498 United States dollars, which fundamentally is genuinely critical incredibly. Algorand Value Examination Algo Cost Examination for 15 October 2023 inside a by and large in every practical sense, day-to-day time period basically made sense of underneath, showing how the fundamentally kind of complete exchanging volume in a real sense explicitly remains at $16,142,267,714 in an especially significant manner in an unpretentious way. We utilize entirely relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly beautiful straightforward moving all things considered, especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving in every practical sense. Normal, EMA, to really break down the future development of the Algorand, which for the most part sort of is very huge. The Algorand basically explicitly has especially break all its by and large backings levels, and things generally are not looking sort of great for the crypto market in an especially significant manner. As of now, in a real sense bears in a real sense are in charge of the market and effectively basically take algo cost beneath the vital help level of 29 cents, most certainly truly in spite of mainstream thinking. While Algo's Williams %R pointer certainly is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange, especially signal by and large is by and large especially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that Algorand explicitly is by and by esteemed at $0.095 15 October 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually truly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what sort of for the most part is momentary cost expectation for Algorand, basically is Algo a truly wise speculation, certainly genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The Algo United States dollar moving in every practical sense, extremely normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, marker is demonstrating a by and large present moment in a real sense, sell fundamentally signal, as the MACD line sort of is moving underneath commonly signal line which basically implies all things considered, bears sort of generally are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting that right now. An exceptionally kind of broad kind of genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, truly further appearance how as of now, a genuinely broad very bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an essentially significant manner, or so they thought. The by and large relative strength record, RSI, shows that the Algo coin generally especially is close oversold zone, as RSI